Hey guys, I will show you how to download YouTube videos fast and easily. You can do this on your iPhone, your desktop, your laptop, on your iPad. You can do it on the most devices. So let's get straight into it. So downloading YouTube videos is very easy. There are a lot of ways you can download apps to download YouTube videos, but let me show you a fast way. So you need to have YouTube open, and what we will do right here, I have a video right here. It's from Mr. Beast. Like everyone knows Mr. Bean, like the most people know Mr. Bean with his crazy the crazy challenges he does. And I want to download this video. What I will do now, I will go to the website bar at the top left, so here, and we will type into this link. But where we want to type is at the end of the word YouTube. So go to your bar, go to the end of the word YouTube before the dot, and we're gonna type in double P. So right now I'm gonna type in double P, and I will press enter. This will open a website for me where I can download this video. So this is the website, y2mate.com. So the cool thing about this website is that I can select in which resolution or in which format I want to download the video. So you have MP4, you have different MP4, different resolutions, which GP, you have MP3 if you want to download in an MP3. But for this video, I will download it as a video, HD, the highest resolution. I will press download. This will open another link, and here I can press download MP4. It will open another tab, but just close it, and what we see on the download below here is that my video is being downloaded. So that is very easy, it's very fast. Just type in double P in your YouTube link. It will bring you to the website and download in which resolution you want this video or in which format. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.